Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to add a download button in Blogger. For us to be able to do it, you need to have these codes. I put it in the description so you can just copy and use it. So here, you just have to change the title of the file, then how big the file is, you can also change the download text here. So this is what's going to appear on the button. Then the link of the file that will be downloaded. And finally, you can change the timer here. So you can set it to 10 or 5 seconds, it's up to you. When you're done changing those information, you can now create a new post. So for example, we're going to make a new post here. Then make sure that this is set to HTML view. After that, copy the code and paste it here. Now let me just put a title to it. Then let's publish this, for example. Now, if we try to view this post, we will be able to see the download button here like this. So you can click on that, the timer will start, and you will be redirected to the file where you can download it. And that's essentially it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for joining us today and see you in our next video.